When we were looking at CRM systems, the biggest appeal for us was moving away from multiple spreadsheets, and we were finding that a lot of our data was being lost or duplicated across a number of different spreadsheets or files. And so we started to look at trying to bring all of that under one roof. And so when we did make the decision around partnering with Maximizer, we were able to finally have a clear picture of kind of what data we hold and how we can use that information to better improve the business, the events that we were running at the time, and just allow us to spend less time trying to put all of that information together, on the run up to some of our events when quite frankly we had a number of other important issues to deal with at the time, and that's definitely resolved the biggest issue for us. We've started to be able to look at how do we improve our events, as opposed to how do we try and pull all of our data together to run those events in the first place.